everybody, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing of this kit. This is a kit of gel polishes from the brand iMethod Beauty. You can find them on Amazon or on their website. If you shop from them, don't forget to use my code Azlenworld to get discount off your purchase. So let's go ahead and see the package and do an unboxing. So the one thing I love also, I love a few things about this brand. The first one is that the gel polishes are very pigmented. You will see that. I don't have to tell you because we're gonna swatch the colors. Also, they are 100% vegan, cruelty free, and longer wear. And this is a package that has a lot of gel polishes. So let's go ahead and open this up. And like I stated, you can find these on Amazon and also on their website. So when you open the package, you will get a book here. This mini book talks about the numbers, the colors they have, also a bunch of questions and answers that they have here for you. Very important questions that you may have as well. Also, curing time is 30 seconds on lamp. It tells you how to apply a base coat first, then the polish, and depending on your lamp, how you have to cure. And it tells you how to apply the gel polish for very lasting period of time. The different applying the layers and the coats and the colors that you will have in this kit. And this is how you can find them on Instagram. Also, they have YouTube. This is the email, and you can find them as well on Facebook. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this started. And also, there's buy one get one free. When you buy this kit, you have to send them the code and your order number, so you can get something else for free. Very nice. So this kit I really like because you have your top coat, you have your matte top coat, you have your base coat, and 3 polishes here. And it looks like it is a tier thing. So you have this layer first, then you have the second layer of gel polishes, and your last. It's like 15 gel polishes that you will get on this kit. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try them all out of their packaging so we can go ahead and do the swatches. I have this swatching sticks, that's how you call them, sticks, wheels. So this is what we're gonna be using to do the colors. So as first as is indicated in the instructions, we're gonna need a base coat, and we cure that for 30 seconds. So I'm gonna start with the base coat in all of these sticks. So let's go ahead and start with the first 5 ones. Let's start with number 107. Let me bring you guys closer. So 107, it's like a purplish color. Well, it looks purple, but I think it's more like a blue. Oh yes, look how beautiful this color is. And we only gonna do 1 swatch. We're not gonna do 2. Because I want you guys to really see how pigmented these gel polishes are. And this is 107, 101, and this is like a green. Oh, this is beautiful. Like a pastel green color. 102. This one is a white color, very pigmented. And that's just 1 swatch, guys. 103, which is like a red one. Oh, this red is beautiful. It's like a bloody red. One of four. This one, it's like a wine color. Very pretty colors. What do you guys think? And this is only one swap that I did, okay? Look how pigmented they are. All you need is one and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds at 114. This is like a champagne, very shimmery color. And I'm sorry guys, that's the lamp that make that noise. Next one is 112, which is like a white with pink. Very beautiful for French nails. If you want to do like Frenchy nails, elegant nails, this color is your color. Next color is 113. Looks like a silver. Let's see, yep, shimmery silver one. Very, very pretty color. 115. This one looked like an orangey. Oh wow, this one is beautiful. It's like an orange color. This one is cool for like summer. Very pretty colors, guys. 105. This one, it's like a lilac. Very beautiful. I love all the colors so far. Look at these colors. Very, very pigmented, guys. 106. There you go. This one, it looks like a deep purple color. Oop, I forgot the side. Hold on. I forgot the side. There you go. So this one is like a deep purple color. I have 108. This color is like a baby, I would say like a baby blue color. Very, very pretty. Is 110. 110. Oh wow, this one is brown color. I love these colors. Can you imagine this one in matte color? That would be perfect. So we're gonna do that one with that one so it can look pretty. Pretty good size, guys. They are 8 ml, which is the same as 0.27 ounces. So you get a lot of product. The next one is 111. This one is a black color. And the last one is this one. This one don't have a number. Let's see what is the magic color. Oh, this one a beautiful gray color. Beautiful colors. Okay, so let's go ahead and cure this in the lamp for 30 seconds. And look how beautiful are the last 5. Beautiful. Now I'm going to be using the top coat and the matte top coat. So let's see how this perform. So let's start with the matte one. I love matte top coat, so let's give it a try. One is 10 ml, 3.34 ounces. And this one here is the same. So you get pretty good sizes. So on this one, I'm gonna try my top coat. So this one will have a little bit, and you guys can see how with no top coat at all, they look very shiny. You guys can see how they look very shiny without the top coat. So let's go ahead and add the top coat on these ones. Beautiful. And let's put it in the lamp for 30 seconds. And for these ones, I'm gonna use matte top coat as well, because I think these colors are beautiful. I think like this, you guys can see how shiny they are. So let's put them matte, because they don't need a top coat, to be honest, because they shine without it. So why would you need a top coat? Maybe to protect the gel polish, yes, but let's see how they look with matte. Okay guys, so this is the first one that we put in the lamp. These are the matte ones. Look how beautiful these colors look. The glossy one that we use the top coat on them. Look how much they shine. And remember, we only did one swap on all of these polishes, so you guys can see how pigmented they are. Look how much that shines. Beautiful. And the last 5, what we did is another matte look. Look how beautiful. Very, very pigmented. So these are the colors you will get in your kit. As well, you will get a top coat and a matte top coat. So tell me which ones are your favorite. I think they all look beautiful. They are amazing, very pigmented. Highly recommend. Don't forget to use my code so you get some money off of your purchases. And thank you so much to iMethod Beauty for this kit. I will be doing a few of my nail tutorials with gel polishes. I know some of you like gel polishes tutorial, so keep in the lookout for that. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you guys don't miss what I will do with these polishes, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!